Well, hello there, Cybernauts. 2024, eh? What a year it's been. Massive data breaches, shocking arrests. We've had more twists and turns than an Agatha Christie novel. So grab a cuppa, settle in, and let's take a deep dive into the wildest moments in cybersecurity this year, shall we? Oh, January, you saucy minx. You really know how to kick off a year. Remember when Google Ads went rogue? Cybercriminals used those ads to push phishing pages right to the top of search results. And who could forget Medibank? Alexander Ermakov, allegedly linked to Reveal, compromised 10 million customers' data. January, you really set the bar high. February, the month of love, but not for cybercriminals. Law enforcement played Cupid with warrants. Operation Kronos took down the infamous Lockbit ransomware site and froze 200 crypto accounts. And the eye soon leaks? The cybersecurity firm linked to Chinese APT groups? It certainly got tongues wagging. March and spring is in the air, but over in the dark corners of the internet, things were getting heated. In the incognito darknet market, Pharaoh, the admin, threatened to leak unencrypted chats unless paid up. Meanwhile, the LPV ransomware group, also known as Black Cat, pocketed $22 million ransom from Change Healthcare. Can you imagine retiring on that? I'd be on a beach somewhere sipping cocktails out of a coconut. April showers brought more than just flowers this year. It was raining indictments. The Samurai Wallet developers were charged with money laundering. And then there was Julius Kivimaki, aka Z-Kill, sentenced to 6 years for his role in the Vastamo hack. 6 years might not seem like much, but hey, at least he'll have plenty of time to think about his actions. May, the month of sunshine and website takedowns. Law enforcement shut down the notorious 911 S5 Proxies website and breach forums. But like a phoenix rising from the ashes, it popped right back up under the same domain. You've got to admire their tenacity, if not their morals. June, the month of weddings and more cybercrime drama. The Empire Darknet Market admins faced charges hotter than a chili cook-off. And the Scattered Spider boss, Tyler, joined the party in jail. The real kicker? The sale of the US DoD's National Public Data Database on breach forums for $3.5 million. Talk about bargain hunting! July, the month of barbecues and international arrests. The admin of Versus Market found himself in a Colombian jail cell, facing charges longer than a CVS receipt. Meanwhile, AT&T suffered a massive breach, with SMS records and customer data going walkabout. Not exactly the kind of roaming charges they were hoping for. August, the month of summer holidays and prisoner swaps. Roman Seleznev found himself back on home soil, but not for a holiday. And remember that US DoD National Public Data Database? It leaked online. Oops! But law enforcement shut down the pesky Dispossessor ransomware group. A rare win for the good guys. September, back to school and back to cybercrime. The US indicted the alleged founder of Joker's Stash and the CEO of Cryptex. But the biggest shocker? Fortinet, the Fort Knox of cybersecurity, suffered a data breach of epic proportions. We're talking 440 gigabytes of data. No one is safe in this digital jungle. October, the month of spooky costumes and more Operation Kronos revelations. They spilled the tea on Evil Corp and their links to Lockbit. Discord got banned in Russia and Turkey. Was it something they said? Probably. And archive.org got hacked. Even the US Department of Defense wasn't safe, with one of their own hackers arrested in Brazil. Talk about an inside job. November, the month of pumpkin spice and celebrity hacker sentencings. Razzlecon, the rapping Robin Hood of the crypto world, faced the music for the Bitfinex hack. And remember that Ticketmaster breach? They caught the culprit, Connor Muka, hiding out in Canada, and T-Mobile had another data breach. Third time's a charm? Not so much. December, the month of festive cheer and Bitcoin hitting an all-time high of $100,000? Now that's a Christmas bonus. But Krispy Kreme suffered a cyber attack, leaving their systems sweeter than their donuts. And several high-profile ransomware operators found themselves on Santa's naughty list, facing the long arm of the law. Ho 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 indeed! Well, there you have it, my friends. What a year it's been! 2024 has been a digital roller coaster ride, full of highs and lows, twists and turns, and more than a few surprises along the way. But whether you're a cybersecurity whiz or just trying to navigate the digital world without losing your data, remember, knowledge is power. So stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay one step ahead of those pesky cybercriminals. 2024 showed us the stakes, the risks, and the relentless fight to secure the digital world. Whether you're a cyber professional or just someone passionate about staying safe online, there's always something to learn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the battle between hackers and defenders. Stay secure, stay informed. See you in the next video.